Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to repair corrupted or damaged Word documents. Get Word Repair Genius on your computer. iSunshare Word Repair Genius is the alternative tool to Word Text Recovery Converter, which can help save your corrupted Word file. Now open the software and add the corrupted Word file to repair. Soon, the damaged Word file is recovered. You can save it in a folder and rename it. After that, open the file to have a check. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.